Well, Indian Foreign Secretary Ranjan Mathai has reiterated India's stand that Pakistan has been given enough information and leads to take action against 2611 mastermind Hafiz Saeed. The statement coming after Pakistani Interior Minister Rahman Malik claimed that India had not provided any credible evidence against LET chief Hafiz Saeed.
It's been almost 3 years since the 2611 attacks. But the trial in Pakistan going nowhere. All that the Pakistani government has to offer are assurances.
It has not yet stopped. All the 7 accused bail have already been rejected and it is already on the fast track. But once that Judicial Commission comes with the finding, then of course it will cover and satisfy our legal side.
Tough to take that at face value, because despite the evidence given against the JOD chief Hafiz Saeed, Pakistan continues to be in denial.
What we do, we have to find the evidence. Now that list which was issued just before Eid, and I guarantee you with the fullest responsibility that this time, no, though there had been complaint from India that Jamaat al-Dawa and others, they are being collecting hides. None of them has been given permission. I can say with full responsibility.
But India calling Pakistan's bluff by pointing at the dossiers handed over to Islamabad.
Well, I think we have provided extensive documentation on Hafiz Saeed and those who are under trial for their involvement in the Mumbai attacks, and this evidence has been provided. A number of dossiers have been handed over. We believe there is enough information in that for Pakistan to be able to take forward their case against those 7 accused.
So while Pakistan keeps making assurances, action on the ground belies its intent.
Why has Pakistan not banned it? Well, again, we've got a reply this time. It basically explains that, well, the Jamaat al-Dawa issue is going to be handled at the Interior Ministry level. That is, of course, Mr. Rahman Malik and his counterpart, Mr. P. Chidambaram. Now, all these things will come up in the meeting. Terror being the big issue. Terror and, of course, a subset of it, 2611. What actually comes out of it is what we are expecting to see.
With Srinjoy in Maldives, Preeti Sachdeva for Times Now.